everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Rosanna. Today I'm going to start decorating for fall, not my whole entire house, but I'm just going to start off with styling my console table along with an arch cabinet. Everything that you see here laid out on my table is not all of my fall decor. Mostly everything to the right is, and then kind of more to the left are just items that I keep up throughout the whole year. I'm just going to pick out a few little new things that I've gotten this year though. So the first one was that seagrass vase, which is from Hobby Lobby. This soy wax candle is from the Mrs. Meyer's, and I love that scent. It's one of my favorite scents, the apple cider. These two items here are from the At Home store. This copper pumpkin tin is from Michael's. This kind of wooden pumpkin is from Hobby Lobby. And then these two here, this orange and white pumpkin, I got those last year from Hobby Lobby. They're actually one of my favorites, so I will be incorporating those. This candle wooden decor I've had for a few years now. I do plan on painting that. This vase is from Home Goods. I recently just painted that. I did not record it. I just wanted to kind of take my time and do that off camera to see how it would come out. And it was very therapeutic. I do like to paint, so I do like the way that that came out. Along with these stems, these are from Hobby Lobby, and I painted these as well. If I can find these stems online, I will link them in the description so you can see what they look like before. And the two picture frames underneath here are new as well. I did get those from Hobby Lobby. This wicker basket is from Ross, and pretty much everything else that you guys have seen are just things that I've had or things that I recently thrifted as well. So here I'm just showing you an overview of what the living room looks like now with everything taken down. The only thing that I still can't figure out is I need to find some new pillow covers as well. I'm not sure what color I'm gonna go with. Along with the pictures that are right above the couch, I might end up using the same ones that I used last year, which are just some prints that I printed from Etsy. So I'm not really sure, but today in this video, we're just gonna tackle, like I said, the console table and then the arch cabinet. In another video coming up, I will go ahead and work on the rest of the living room, which will probably be the entertainment center along with the coffee table. Maybe I'll have my pillow covers by then and put up some picture frames and just kind of get more of the living room put together. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get to decorating. Now that the console table is done, I'm moving on to this arch cabinet. I really love the way that the console table came out. I feel like it's just very cozy and exactly the look that I was going for. So here I'm just hoping that I'm gonna achieve the same look with this arch cabinet. I think I achieved what I was looking for. There are some pieces that I may kind of switch around, so I'm not really sure. I'm gonna keep this for a few days and maybe make some little changes, but for now I do like the way that it came out. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you would like, I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel so that you can also join me for some future fall videos and see how I decorate the rest of our home.